Good morning, 5th class students. Open your EVS workbooks, page number 30. Nutritious food lesson. First exercise. You might know what the colors in a traffic signal post stand for. Imagine food signal lights put the same colors in the circle provided against the given food item. See here children, traffic lights. Red for stop. Yellow for be ready. Green, let's go. See here children, this is a carbohydrate food. Carbohydrate food give us instant energy. These include starch and sugars. They provide the needed energy to our body. So, color here green color. Color this box green. Next, protein. These are essential for growth and building of our body. They help in the formation of new cells and repairing damaged cells. Be ready. Damaging cells. This is color yellow. Next, vitamins or minerals. Quantity of vitamins, small quantity of vitamins are essential in our body. They protect us from vitamins deficiency. And minerals also required in small quantity for the growth of our body. Calcium, magnesium, iron, phosphorus, sodium, iodine are some of the minerals we need. So these also be ready. Right here, color here yellow. Next, this is protein food. Color here yellow. Vitamins and minerals also be ready for food. Right here, color here yellow. Next, this picture. This is a junk food. Don't eat this type of food. So don't. This is stop food. Color here red. Junk food color the red. Vitamins and proteins yellow. Next, carbohydrates green color. Why do we need food? Where do we get our body from? Food gives us energy to work and play. Without energy, our body cannot function properly. We get our food from plants and animals. FOD food, GIVES gives US as ENERGY energy, TO2 work and PLAY play. Full stop WITHOUT without ENERGY energy, OU or our BODY body, CANNOT cannot, FUNCTION function, PROPERLY properly. We WEVGT get OU or our FOD food, FROM from PLANTS plants and ANIMALS animals. Full stop. Food gives us energy to work and play. Without energy, our body cannot function properly. We get our food from plants and animals. Name the nutrients. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. Proteins, proteins. Fats, fats. Vitamins, vitamins. Minerals, minerals. Name the nutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. Children, Open page number 32. 31 page, do this later. Now open 32 page. Note down your food habits. Think of healthier option and record them. What I usually eat, healthier option. What I usually eat, healthier option. Children, carbohydrate food, vitamins, minerals, protein food, fat, balanced food pyramid. What I usually eat, healthier option. What I usually eat, healthier option. Children, do this exercise at home, help of your parents, because of this is your food habit. Okay children, next, state whether the following statements are true or false. Food give us energy to work. Food give us energy to work. This is a correct statement. Right here, true, T-R-U-E, true. Second one, eating any food to satisfy our hungry is called nutrition. This is a wrong statement. False, F-A-L-S-E, false. We cannot survive without water in our food. This is a correct statement. We cannot survive without water. True, T-R-U-E, true. Next, all the people require the same type of quantity of food. Different types of quantity of food. This is a false statement, children. False, F-A-L-S-E, false. Excess calories are stored in our body as fat. Yes, this is a correct statement. Right here, T-R-U-E, true. True, false, true, false, true. Next children, 33 page. What is the importance of the following items in our food? Explain briefly. First one, carbohydrates. These include starch and sugar. They provide the needed energy to our body. THESE, these INCLUDE include STARCH, starch, and SUGARS, sugars. THUI, they, PROVID, provide THE, the NEED, needed ENERGY, energy to work our body. Energy to our body. These include starch and sugars. They provide the needed energy to our body. Ending full stop children. Proteins. These are essential for growth and building of our body. They help in the formation of new cells. THESE, these ARERESSENTIAL, essential effort for GROWTH, growth, and BUILDING, building of OU or our BODY, body. Full stop. DHE, they, THUI, they, HELP, help, and THE, the FORMATION, formation of NEW, new CELLS, cells. These are essential for growth and building of our body. They help in the formation of new cells. Next, fats children. FATs, fats are the storehouse of energy in our body. These provide more energy than the carbohydrates. FATs, fats, ARE, the STORE, store, HOUSE, house, OF of ENERGY, energy, in OU or our BODY, body, THESE, these, PROVID, provide, MORE, more, ENERGY, energy, TH, and then THE, the CARBOHYDRATES, carbohydrates. Fats are the storehouses energy in our body. These provide more energy than the carbohydrates. Vitamins, children. Vitamins are essential in our body, in our food. They protect us from vitamin deficiency disease. Vitamins, vitamins are essential essential iron in OU are our favorite food. THE PROTECT protect us as FFROM from vitamin DEFICIENCY deficiency DISEASES diseases. Next, minerals, children. Minerals are also required in small quantities for the growth of our body. Minerals, 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 ARERALS, also REQUIRED, required iron in SNALL, small QUANTITIES, for THE growth of OUR our BODY body. Minerals are also required in small quantities for the growth of our body. Next, fibers. These are a type of carbohydrates available from plants only. They help in the smooth movement of food inside our food during digestion. THESE, these ARERATYPE type of carbohydrates carbohydrates VAILABLE available FROM from PLANTS plants ONLY only full stop. THE they HELP help iron in THE the SMOOTH smooth movement 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 wave of PFO food INSIDE inside OU or our BODY body DURING during DIGESTION digestion. These are a type of carbohydrates available from plants only. They help in the smooth movement of food inside our body during digestion. Next, children, water. WTA water. Our body is made up of 70% of water. Water is the essential constituent in our food. We cannot survive without water. OU or our BODY body IS is made UP up YF of 70% YF of WTE or water. WTE water IS is THE the essential 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 CONSTITUENT constituent iron in OU or our favorite food. WECINNOT not cannot SURVIVE survive WTH without WTR water. Our body is made up of 70% of water. Water is the essential constituent in our food. We cannot survive without water. Children, if you have any doubts in this explanation, check one's course book 48 and 49 pages. See here, children, some food varieties are shown here. What nutrients do these contain mainly? See here, what is this type of food? Idli, dosa, rice, chapati. This is a carbohydrates. CARBOHYDRATES carbohydrates. Next, vada and dal. Fish, egg, this is a protein food. PROTEINS, proteins. Next, cheese or butter, dry fruits, oil, butter, these are called fats, FATs, fats. Next, fruits, vegetables, leafy curries, sprouts, vitamins, minerals, vitamins, vitamins, minerals, minerals. Next, fill in the blanks. Dash is essential for the growth of bones. Calcium, Calcium, calcium. Processed food with low nutritional value is termed as junk food. JNK, junk, food, junk food. 1 gram of fat gives us dash kilocalories of energy to our body. 9 kilocalories of energy. 1 gram of fat gives us 9 kilocalories of energy to our body. Vitamin dash is known as sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D is known as sunshine vitamin. Malnutrition is the result of not following a dash diet, balanced diet, BALANCED, balanced diet. The measure of body fat based on height and weight is called BMI. See here children, from the given BMI chart, identify who is underweight, overweight and obese. Name: Sonu, Motu, Bunty. Age 11, BMI 12, 23, 20. Remarks: Sonu, underweight. Motu, obese. Bounty, overweight. And year: under, VEIGHT, underweight. OBESE, obese. OBESE, obese. OVER, over. VEIGHT, weight. Underweight, obese, overweight. Okay children, write name. Thank you. I will meet in the next class.